I don't enjoy Cristiano Ronaldo that much. Now, don't get me wrong, I appreciate him for being an exceptional footballer. That the guy is talented and that he has a lot to offer is true. But this is why I don't enjoy him that much. Because as a keen fan of football, I enjoy the game when the team stands as one unity and win. That all of the emphasis is just not on one player with exceptional skill like Cristiano. Every time I watch a football match in the past where he was playing, it was every time the ball goes near him, the commentators and everybody was just going crazy. Cristiano is getting the ball. It's a team sport, and it is very enjoyable to see the team work as one and then go and win. And I use this example often in my business with my team because business is a team sport. And one of the most critical aspects in business is to have a very solid, good team behind you. You should do everything in your power on a daily basis to build a team. And the three things that I always recommend that you should focus on is, does every team member understand your mission statement? Now, I'm not talking about the mission statements that's on the wall with a sentence with big words that nobody really understands what it is. I'm talking about a mission statement in the sense of, what is your mission? What are you as a unity in your business strive towards? Does every team member understand that? The second thing that's important to me is your team members' key characteristics, and I'm not talking about value systems. As an example, in my business, my team members must love marketing. That's what we do. If you don't love marketing, you're not going to be a fit. But you must also be able to work under pressure because it is a pressurized environment. Does your team fit the key characteristics of your team? And the last thing is, I always make sure that they know and that we decide together as a team what is the three main activities that we are currently focusing on the business and in the business to grow the business. It is important in business to focus on building a solid, strong team behind you. Let's have some coffee this morning. Thank you for having coffee with me.